Whoa! Yeah! Yeah!
Look at that, kid.
Did you video that?
Yeah, that was insane.
Look up.
Awesome. We're in.
That was insane. That thing is dead.
Holy crap!
Don't breathe the smoke, you guys.
Well, you know what?
Hey.
Sophie.
That's what the inside of the lawnmower fuel tank looks like.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
That's it.
Wow.
No.
It's I don't want all this. This is going to start getting more and more black. Yeah.
Brad says. Yeah, dose it out with some gas.
Douse it out with some gas. Oh, one little. That was pretty insane.
That was pretty good.
We can put this on the computer.
Did